Seedance 2.0 is officially here, and you can access it right now. And if you're into AI video generation, you're going to want to get your hands on this before everyone else does. I've been testing it out, and honestly, the results speak for themselves. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to use Seedance 2.0. The original Seedance 2.0, not the fake ones circulating the internet. From signing up to generating your first video. So whether you're a content creator looking to speed up your workflow, or just curious about where AI video is headed, stick around. Alright, so here's the platform. What makes this exciting is that they've officially partnered with ByteDance, and Seedance 2.0 is already live, meaning you don't have to wait. You can jump in right now. I'll leave the link down in the description so you can go straight to the site. All you need to do is sign up with your email, and once that's done, you'll land right on this main dashboard. Now, up here in the top menu, you'll notice you can switch between different models. Go ahead and select Seedance 2.0 from the dropdown. And this is where the magic happens. This is your workspace for generating videos. You'll see right away that there are two different methods you can use to create your videos. And I'm going to break down each one. So the first method is called reference generation, and this one is really flexible. It lets you upload images, videos, and even audio files, all at the same time, as that's not something you see with most AI video tools. You can upload up to 12 files in a single generation, mixing videos and audio together, which gives you a serious amount of control over your final output. And then, of course, you've got the classic text-to-video option. Type in a prompt and let the model do the rest. All right, enough talking about it. Let's actually put it to work and see what Seedance 2.0 can do. We'll start with text-to-video. I'll keep this simple, nothing overly detailed, just a straightforward prompt to see how the model handles it on its own. One thing worth noting with text-to-video is that you really don't need to overcomplicate your prompts. Seedance 2.0 does a solid job interpreting simple descriptions. Before we generate, you can also adjust the aspect ratio and the video duration up to 15 seconds. I'll go with 10 seconds for this one. Now let's hit generate and see what we get. And here's the result. Alright, I have to be honest. This one caught me completely off guard. If no one told you this was AI generated, you genuinely wouldn't know. This looks like it belongs in a high-budget VFX sequence. Watch the terrified lady running in here. That's an insane level of detail. I've tested a lot of AI video generators and nothing else is producing results like this right now. And just think about it. Something like this would have cost thousands of dollars and hours of work with traditional VFX. Now it's a simple prompt. That's where we are. Click on the download button to download it. Let's try another one. I've written a new prompt here, same settings as before, and here's what came back. Now this is what an AI video should feel like. There's no floaty, unnatural movement, no awkward pacing. Everything has real weight and speed to it, and it just feels grounded. And the sound design deserves its own shout-out. Every impact, every moment lands exactly when it should. That audio-visual sync alone puts Seedance 2.0 ahead of most tools out there right now. This is where Seedance 2.0 really separates itself. The motion, the sound, the overall feel, it all just clicks. And the fact that all of this came from a text prompt is still hard to believe. Alright, now let's move on to image to video, which is where things get really interesting. Go ahead and switch to this option. Oh, and you'll see the upload button right here. I'm going to use this image that I generated with Nano Banana 2. You can use any image you like, a photo, an illustration, whatever works for your project. Now for the prompt. Here's a tip. You don't need to write a novel. Seedance 2.0 is smart enough to interpret simple instructions. Just focus on describing the motion or action you want to see, and let the model handle the rest. So I'll keep mine short and straightforward. For the settings, I'll set the aspect ratio to 16:9. You can generate videos up to 15 seconds long, and there's actually an option to extend your video even further after that. I'll show you how that works in a moment. For this one, I'll go within 10 seconds and hit generate. Quick heads up, Seedance 2.0 is getting a lot of traffic right now. Oh, so generation times can be longer than usual. In some cases, you might be waiting anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of hours, so just be patient with it. And here's what it came back with.
Climbing a mountain is a metaphor for life. Climbing a mountain is a metaphor for life.
Okay, this is seriously impressive. Look at the movement here, the weight, the momentum, the way it builds from a slow walk into a full charge. And remember, this all came from a single still image. That kind of motion is one of the hardest things for AI video tools to get right, making movement feel like it has real physics behind it. Seedance 2.0 handles it beautifully. Everything feels dynamic and alive, with just the right amount of chaos. And once again, the sound design is doing heavy lifting. The footsteps, the wind, the atmosphere, it's all perfectly synced. This doesn't sound like AI-generated audio. It sounds like someone sat down and designed a proper sound mix for this. One image, that's all we started with. And this is what Seedance 2.0 turned it into. Pretty remarkable. Now here's where Seedance 2.0 gets even more powerful. You can actually extend your videos while keeping the exact same visual style and quality. Let me show you how. First, switch over to the reference generation option and upload the video clip you just created. I've uploaded mine right here. Next, describe what you want to happen next in the video. I wanted the character to jump off the cliff, so I wrote a simple prompt for that. I'll set the duration to 10 seconds and hit generate. And here's what Seedance 2.0 came back with. This is honestly one of the most impressive things I've seen from any AI video tool. It picks up right from the last frame of the original clip and seamlessly continues into a full transformation. The transition is so smooth you'd think it was planned from the start. The mechanical movement, the jump, it all flows naturally. And what really stands out is the consistency. The atmosphere, the tone, the sound, everything stays locked in. It never feels like two separate clips stitched together. That kind of continuity is incredibly difficult to achieve with AI video generation right now. Most tools struggle to maintain visual coherence across extended clips, but Seedance 2.0 handles it like it's nothing. ByteDance really pushed the boundaries with this model. The link to the platform is in the description. Go sign up and start experimenting. I'm planning to go much deeper with Seedance 2.0 on creating short films and more advanced tutorials, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of that. If this video helped you out, a like and share would mean a lot. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.